Hello everyone, my name is Elena Shvab and I'm a hat designer based in London. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I would like to show you how to stitch an elastic in your hats so that they stay securely on a hat. For example, this technique could be perfect for fascinator hats and even brim hats, or fascinators like this, or hat like this when you do not want any type of security like headbands or combs or anything else. Elastic is a perfect way of hiding any way of security so that it feels like the hat is floating on your hat. So let's get started. First of all, we need elastic. Elastic comes in different colors. It comes in white color, just like this one, or it comes in black color. Alternatively, you can find other colors, but they're much harder to find in the market rather than white and black. Black color is perfect for anyone who has darker hair, and the white elastic is obviously perfect for those who has blonde hair, so that it can sort of like disappear in your hair when you're wearing the hat, so the elastic becomes sort of like invisible and you can hide it in your hairstyle, which is also a great tip, creating hairstyles using the elastic. So usually you can buy elastic either in rolls, as I do because I use a lot of elastic for my hats, or you can buy alternatively a set of 5 or 10 if you're not using a lot of elastic and you're not making a lot of hats. I will show you how to stitch elastic on the example of this hat, which I made as a tutorial for Hat Talk magazine. It's an online millinery magazine which is perfect for everyone who's interested in millinery. And this tutorial, where I'm going to show how to block and manipulate cinema straw in order to create a brim hat. This tutorial will be out during the year, in a couple of months. But for now, everyone who's not subscribed to the magazine, please follow the link. It's in the description to this video. And you can see an amazing gallery of different tutorials by many amazing milliners from all over the world, including myself. And also, personally for me, I would like to give you a discount for subscribing to this magazine. You can get 20% discount using the code Elena, just like my name. Just follow the link, subscribe, and enter the code at the checkout and enjoy learning a lot of amazing techniques. So, in order to get started, I need to measure how long the elastic I need to use. I'm going to use white elastic as it's better to see on the camera. How do you measure the elastic if you're using a roll? First of all, elastic goes underneath your hair at the back, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the elastic underneath my hair, and approximately the elastic will be attached to a hat around this area. So I'm stretching slightly the elastic, and that is the measurement that I'm going to need. I'm going to add a little bit of extra, like maybe 1 centimeter more, just in case, and I'm going to cut. Now, how do I know where is exactly I'm going to stitch the elastic? So this is the front of the hat. Let's turn it over, and that's the front of the hat, and that makes it middle of the hat. So I would stitch the elastic slightly towards the front of the hat, right here, and I'm going to use the pins to mark where I'm going to stitch the elastic. Now, there are 2 ways. Either first you stitch the elastic and then you attach the Petersham ribbon. In my case, I already have Petersham ribbon attached. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my elastic, I'm going to pull it through one of the gaps, just where I marked with a pin, just like that. And now I'm gonna create 2 knots. So first of all, I will remove the headband so that I don't stitch through it. And now, usually I would use the same color thread, but because I want you to see what exactly I'm doing, I'm using a contrast black thread. My first stitch starts from inside so that I hide the knot. Always hide the knot, no matter what you're stitching or doing. And then I'm not exactly stitching the elastic, but I'm overlapping it with the thread. So in a way, I'm creating the loops. So I'm stitching, so I'm creating as many loops as needed in order to secure the elastic. So let's say I make 6 or 7 loops, and I will secure the thread, and I'll cut. So what happens now, and what was the reason of me not stitching the elastic but overlapping it, is that now you can move it. And just in case if the elastic is loose for you or for your client who will come to try on the hat, you can always adjust it and make it slightly tighter. Now you do absolutely the same on the other side. Well, now our elastic is stitched and the hat will be secured on the hat. Let me try it on and show you how to wear the hat now. So let me put my beret aside, and if you can see, the elastic goes underneath your hair. And now, no matter what happens, a very strong wind or any other nature circumstances, your hat will be always secured, and you or your clients will always be confidently wearing your hat. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, write the comments below, anything that you would like to learn or any other techniques, please comment, and I will try to create more videos for you. Also very welcome to visit my website and inquire about any millinery courses in person here in London in my studio or online. It doesn't matter where you are, we can always meet online, and I have a variety of different courses that you might be interested, or you would like to learn new techniques, new skills, or if you're absolutely new to millinery, I have a lot of courses for beginners. Don't hesitate, ask me any questions that you have about the millinery or my millinery classes. I would be happy to reply. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you during my next video. Bye!